Boy, Mack, Leies at Northway Ford Lincoln. Here we are in the back lot. All these nice F-150s, your 2018s with the XTR package, Sport package. It's a beautiful blue right there. Thought I'd show you. Well, why am I back here, you ask? Why am I showing you everything that you've probably seen? I know you're still excited about it, but you know. Anyways, I bring to you today the 2019 Ford F-150. Brand new to this lot, the very first one we have. This one is a sport package, and there is not a whole lot that has changed about these vehicles, these trucks. Still the great F-150 that everybody loved in 2018. This one here is a 3.5 liter 10-speed automatic transmission, which is now the second year that they've done the 10-speed automatic. It is a hit. Everybody loves it. Big 20s, big shiny 20s. This is an ingot silver Super Crew 302A package. 302A is the most loaded that an F-150 can get. Okay, got a nice window sticker here. Very similar pricing. Now what's changed, Mac? Well, still not a whole lot. We got the unique sport seats, which include the tread mark on the seats here. It's brand new off the truck, so everything's fresh. Bear with me. Alright, same spacious legroom that everybody loves and seeks. Alright, power sliding rear window with defrost. This 302A signature. Very similar dash, but there's one thing that you'll notice, and one thing that you will cry with me about, okay? What's missing? What don't you see here anymore? Something is afoot. Well, if we go to audio, we click sources, you'll see there's AM, FM, and Sirius XM inputs with the Bluetooth function, of course. You can still use your USB, but no more CDs, ladies and gentlemen. CDs have officially died in the F-150 trucks. But it's all about that weight reduction. It's all about that fuel economy. You don't want a clunky CD player running down your fuel mileage in this nice 3.5 liter, right? You want to save fuel at every angle possible, and this is how we're doing that. Goodbye, CD player. Now, if you have a Sync 3, you'll know, or most Sync 3s will have, when you go to your settings here, if you're looking for your vehicle hotspot, which was called vehicle hotspot at the time, you'll notice there's not even a Wi-Fi icon here. Well, now you just click. Let me just go back here. Up in the upper right corner here, where the Wi-Fi is searching, there will be the symbol. You click it, and then it brings you to the Wi-Fi. It gives you some options for Wi-Fi. But Vehicle Hotspot is no longer in there. Now it's on a Ford Pass Connect button. So you just press that. There's your Vehicle Hotspot. Everything's in there. Sport Edition, still the same. You got the same nice console that everybody's after, with the space where you could fit a small child if you really needed to. You guys love it, so we keep it. Your standard household 110 volt 400 watt maximum outlet. Folding headrests, get rid of that view obstruction. You just get under here and pull. Oh, right here? Is that how they've done it? Okay, so now this little thing here, I'm gonna call it a pull tab. This little pull tab is how you get these seats up. Before there was a little lever underneath the seats here that you'd pull and fold it up, but that's not the case anymore. 2019, bringing us the goods, bringing us more ease and less complications. All kinds of space. If you've got a dog, you appreciate this. You don't want that fur all over the nice 2019 seats. We get that. You fold it up. You don't have to deal with that. Just vacuum your carpet nice, and everything's good. Still got the same exhaust system. Just the out the side single exit tow package on the 302A, of course. You've got the sensors here, parking sensors, beep, 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 beep. Pre-collision assist, which I thought was pretty cool. Pre-collision assist, as you can see on the windshield here. Maybe it's harder to see if you're not seeing it in person, which I will definitely recommend you to do, but we actually tested this out and the brakes were pre-charged before trying to strike me with this vehicle. Very good feature, very nice. All we want is safety, all we want is people to live well and prosper, and they're gonna do just that with the brand new 2019 F-150 XLT. Come see Mack, Leies, Northway Ford Lincoln, 388 King George Road in Brantford, Ontario. We've got the goods and you've got the desire. Let's make this happen. 519-753-8691. My extension is 320, or speak to the receptionist, ask for Mack. She'll send you right over. Take care.